A breakthrough in vision restoration. Opus Genetics unveils promising results for inherited retinal degeneration. RTT News, Opus Genetics Inc., IRD, has shared exciting updates from its ongoing Phase 1-2 clinical trial, revealing 3-month outcomes from a pediatric cohort. The study focuses on the safety and early effectiveness of OPGx LCA5 in treating inherited retinal degeneration, a condition that causes severe vision loss in children. In this trial, teenagers aged 16 to 17 with profound vision impairment received a single subretinal injection of OPGx LCA5. The results were striking. Participants showed an average improvement of 0.3 logMAR in visual acuity, a measure of how well someone can see at a distance. Additionally, their ability to detect red and blue light improved, suggesting the treatment may help restore cone-mediated vision in those who had lost it entirely. But here's where it gets controversial. While the 3-month data is encouraging, the long-term effects remain unclear. For example, combined adult data revealed that visual acuity improvements persisted for 18 months, both in terms of overall progress from baseline and between eyes. This raises important questions. Could this treatment offer lasting benefits, or is the effect temporary? And this is the part most people miss. The study's findings highlight both promise and complexity. While the results are positive, they also underscore the need for further research. For instance, the treatment's durability beyond 18 months and its safety in larger patient populations are still unknown. In light of these findings, IRD plans to meet with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in the 4th quarter to discuss next steps for the LCA5 program. The company's stock, trading at $1.84 on the Nasdaq, has risen 2.8% in pre-market hours, reflecting investor optimism. Now we invite you to think. Is this a revolutionary breakthrough, or are there hidden risks we haven't considered? What do you think the future holds for treatments like OPGx LCA5? Share your thoughts in the comments below.